These are the finest windows you can buy. The Alside Windows system with all the maintenance-free, energy-saving benefits and beauty and the security and peace of mind they bring to customers for a lifetime. We're here in one of Alside's 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants where we build the finest vinyl windows in the world, right here in America. Each window custom-made for comfort from the ground up. I'm Steve Martone, and the name says Alside, but behind the name are people. The people who build and distribute the world's greatest windows. People dedicated to bringing our customers the finest vinyl windows on the market. Alside Window Systems. In fact, one reason so many dealers and customers know they can rely on Alside is that we've been in business over 50 years and have produced more than 5 million windows. And we're so proud of what we do here that we want you to see what goes into assuring you the highest standards of quality and performance. Alside regularly schedules tests in our own state-of-the-art facilities for certification to ensure performance levels that exceed the industry standards for air, water, structural load, and thermal performance. We used oversized windows like these because if windows this size with glass this heavy and seams this long can pass our rigorous tests, smaller, lighter windows are certain to exceed the standards.
Now let's take a look at how Alside builds a window. Since so much of a window is comprised of the glass unit, Alside takes particular pride in the assembly of each and every insulated glass unit that we use in all of our window products.
The insulated glass units for Alside windows start here at our state-of-the-art glass cutting stations. The glass is cut to measure, again all computer controlled to custom orders. The computer determines the cutting patterns on every large piece of glass to minimize waste and optimize efficiency.
A major component in the Alside window system is the PPG Intercept spacer system. It's standard on all Alside windows, not a pricey option like with many manufacturers. The Intercept spacer system is designed to enhance thermal performance and increase the life of the window by cutting the expansion and contraction of the glass that cause sealants to break down. Alside produces its own spacer system for each custom window. Computers control this process too, notching each spacer system according to the window's dimensions. Meanwhile, the panes of American-made float glass are sent through the washer, where they're cleaned and dried so the butyl in the PPG spacer system bonds airtight with the glass. The washer cleans both sides of the glass simultaneously with a special glass cleaning solution that's heated to as much as 130 degrees to free the surface from any debris or oils. The spacers are made in the same sequence as each window order and arrive simultaneously as the corresponding glass panes come through the washer.
The 2 pieces of glass that go into each insulated glass unit are automatically fed into the butterfly table, where they're brought together and then perfectly aligned for superior quality and performance. Again, many companies perform this operation by hand, but Alside uses the latest high-tech equipment to do the job perfectly every time.
Next, the insulated glass units are sent through the oven where they're heated to over 280 degrees to permanently seal them together and form the airtight seal around the entire spacer system to ensure optimum thermal protection. Among the many popular custom options we offer in the Alside window system are grid patterns. Colonial or diamond grids like these enhance the look and beauty of the window, but because they're between the panes, they don't interfere with cleaning. Here, each grid piece is cut to measure and notched automatically. Then, in the grid area, each grid is assembled for later installation between the panes.
High-performance low-E glass and argon gas are options chosen by a lot of Alside customers. 2 more custom-made for comfort features Alside offers for improved thermal performance and protection against ultraviolet rays, as well as additional insulation against weather and noise. Here, the argon gas is pumped into the window units in exactly the correct amount, and then the units are sealed.
Now that you've seen all the steps that go into building our custom insulated glass units and how Alside uses state-of-the-art technology in every step of the process, let's look at the engineering and quality that goes into every one of Alside's vinyl frames and sashes. When Alside says its windows are custom made for comfort, we believe that comfort starts with the world's finest materials. Where other manufacturers often use reground vinyl pellets or inferior compounds that are brittle and can break down over time, Alside uses only pure virgin vinyl PVC resin, combined with the finest stabilizers and impact modifiers. so we can ensure consistent color and strength throughout.
Alside's total commitment to quality continues with the vinyl extrusions we use to make our frames and sashes. Over 15 million linear feet of PVC extrusions in 1 year alone. Alside uses virgin vinyl extrusions for all window products, and unlike most other window companies, extrudes many of its own vinyl components. Extra thick extrusions for maximum strength and durability, with multi-chamber construction that creates insulating air pockets for optimum thermal efficiency in Alside's window system. Think of them as comfort chambers. Let's move on to the assembly areas and see how the frames and sashes are made and the window units finally assembled and made ready for shipment.
The extrusions are cut to measure by automated saws. Each window order is in the computer in sequence. The stop automatically moves to the correct position for each length and the piece is cut. The order's coded sticker is placed on the piece as it joins the others belonging to that same window for later assembly. This process is repeated over and over again on every extrusion for every piece of each sash and frame. Precision cut, computer controlled. Here, the balances and internal parts of the window are installed, and the tension adjusted according to the size of the windows and the weight of the sash.
Another popular option Alside offers in our commitment to giving our customers a complete product line is the fusion welding process. Using state-of-the-art technology, the custom-cut frame and sash pieces are placed in automated fusion welding assemblies. The computer-controlled process raises metal plates that heat the corners to 360 degrees. That fuses the corners and joins them together to form one continuous bond all the way around the frame and sash. The result? Greatly enhanced strength and rigidity.
After fusion welding, the frames and sashes are automatically finished off at each corner by computer-controlled cleaners. These machines precisely shave the small vinyl ridges formed in the fusion welding process to leave a smooth finish all around the frames and sashes. Again, this is a step many other manufacturers perform by hand, but Alside's investment in state-of-the-art equipment ensures perfect quality window after window. Here at the glazing stations, the insulated glass units are installed in their sashes. Again, each piece is identified with its factory order number and arrives at the glazing station in the correct sequence. Some of Alside's mechanical window lines take advantage of another investment in high-tech equipment. This automated process basically duplicates the hand glazing process. The pieces are inserted into the machine, which then clamps them together and simultaneously screws all four corners in one smooth operation. This ensures not only the correct tension on the assembly, but perfect squareness as well. Meanwhile, the screens for each custom window are assembled here on the screen line. Each screen is also coded according to its factory order number and placed on the conveyor belt in the same sequence as its matching window. Every stage of assembly of every part and every window is computer coordinated so that everything comes together for the final assembly smoothly and correctly. We've shown you how Alside takes great care in every step of their manufacturing process, but it doesn't stop with double hungs and sliding windows. Let's take a look at some of the other fine specialty products produced right here in Alside's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. We're proud to be able to offer a complete product line, and here in the casement department, final assembly of Alside's fully welded casement and awning windows takes place. Whether used as a distinctive design element or for their easy-to-open features, casement and awning windows are a versatile addition to any home. Plus, the many sizes and options available can help to make any combination work for you. Alside's popular bay and bow windows are assembled in their own department. Alside makes bays and bows in all sizes and even offers double-hung casement or fixed-light combinations that suit any taste. Alside lets customers choose from handcrafted furniture-grade wood on head and seat boards, available in oak or birch hardwood. There are even roof options that allow customers to add even more architectural interest to their home's exteriors. Again, detailed attention is given to every inch of Alside's bay and bow windows by craftsmen trained specifically for the assembly of these products. Alside's patio doors are also assembled in their very own department. These mainframe and sash extrusions help to ensure the utmost in thermal protection, while the metal-reinforced vertical sash members offer Alside patio doors extra strength and rigidity. The heavy-duty fiberglass screening and tough aluminum frames means our screen doors will stand the test of time. And with state-of-the-art engineering and a wide choice of styles and sizes, Alside offers one of the most complete selections of patio doors anywhere. Alside also offers you a lifetime warranty with a transferability provision. It's peace of mind you can offer to a prospective buyer should you ever decide to sell your home. And it's backed by Alside, your #1 choice for replacement windows with more than 50 years experience in the home improvement industry.
I'd rate it as 10. I don't think they can make a better window.
With my house being as old as it is, there was a lot of draft through all my windows. Now they're airtight and it's been great.
Your investment in Alside Window Systems is one you'll always be comfortable with. Windows rank high on the list of improvements that add to a home's resale value. It's one of the smartest investments you can make. Super energy savings will help your Alside windows pay for themselves. It's a commitment that will provide you with a more beautiful home, more time for the things you really enjoy, and a level of personal comfort you'll appreciate for many years to come. Thanks for taking the time to view this presentation. We look forward to making you our next satisfied Alside Window Systems customer. Alside Window Systems, changing the way you see the world.